Yeah, yeah. Yeah, one more time for J Blues Trio. Let's hear it again for J Blues Trio. Come on. Let's go. Hope you guys are enjoying yourself. This is a vibe right in the heart of the beautiful city of St. Catharines. This is the moment you've all been waiting for. I hope you brought your dancing shoes. We got 2 free tickets. We're going to be giving away 2 free tickets. Got to go through my paperwork here. Yeah, 2 free tickets to some kind of festival happening right here in St. Catharines on August 30th and August 31st. So I need a little bit of participation from the crowd. Can anybody dance around here? Who can dance? Hey, oh, I see 2. Okay, if you can dance, then I'm gonna need you to come up here. Come up here, come close to the stage, please. If you can, oh yes, yeah, get over here. I knew you could dance. Any more dancers? I had 2 back there. Mr. Hat right there, yeah. You put your hand, come here, where are you running? Come here, come here. Yes. Yeah, and your partner, right? Yeah. We got 3. I need more dancers. The guy with the bucket hat, I see you, man. Yeah, bucket hat, glasses. Yeah, he's ready to dance. Oh, no glasses, he's ready. Get over here. Join us. Join us. Oh, and the soccer jersey, is it? Yeah, this guy's looking away. Get over here. Why are you running? Yeah. Okay, so that whole picnic table is coming, I guess? Yeah. With the, yeah, pull up with the beard. Let's go. Everybody. Fermez la bouche. Oh, me no français. So we are all dancing. We need more dancers. Yes, Blue Jays shirt. Pull up. We're about to have a dance competition. The winner gets 2 free tickets to some kind of festival right in the heart of downtown. Now, oh, I'm being extra helpful over here. Dancers on the street, you want to join us? Yes. Come dance with us. All right. So, who's ready for this? We're gonna have a dance off. So we'll basically go one person at a time, and then go next. Oh, you want to have like a full group dance? Okay, all right, we can do it that way, and then we'll let the crowd pick. Bandana, are you going to dance? Let's go. All right. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do this as a group then.
MC Roth and DJ
Let's go. Hey, ho, hey, ho. One time. He takes 2. Let's go. Get it. Hey, ho, hey, ho, hey, ho. One time. Hey. All right, one by one. Let's go. We'll start with you. Hey. Watch your phone. Hey, 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 hey. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Hey. One time. One. Hey, hey, hey. 3, 2, 1. All right, Mr. Hat, Mr. Hat, Mr. Hat, join us, Mr. Hat. Hey. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Hey, with the spin. Okay, MJ, MJ. Whoa, 3, 2, 1. Blue Jays, showdown. Shut up. Hey, hey. Give it to them, hey, give it to them, give it to them, hey, give it to them. Get it, 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 hey. 3, 2, get it, Mom. Show them how it's done. Hey, hey, oh, hey, oh. Go stage, go stage, go stage, go stage. Hey, jump up, hey, oh, jump around, jump around. 3, 2, 1. All right, the wild side. Join us. Get it. Okay, 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 okay. Oh, go shopping, go shopping, go shopping, go shopping. Hey, say what? One time, one time. Get it, get it. All right. Oh, Jersey. Let's get it. One time. Slow motion. Hey, hey, oh, hey, bucket hat with the glasses. Show them, my brother. With the glass, hey, oh, one time. Hey, okay, okay, okay. Hey, nice. All right, bro, show them how it's done. Join us. Hey, oh, no shoes. Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Okay, okay. Nice. We need one more. Who can do it? One more. Who can do it? One more. Hey, go cat, go cat, go cat. No, you gotta do it out here, not like back there. Come on, go cat, go cat, go cat, go cat. Last chance, y'all. Last chance, y'all. Hey, go get him, go get him, go get him. Hey, yeah. The stage is yours. Get it. Hey, nice. Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh. To the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. Hey. Sorry, bro. Sorry. Yo, a hand of applause to all our participants. Okay, no, where did you go? Why are you running? Come back, come back, come back. We'll let the people decide. I need you guys to line up. Everybody up here. Come. The loudest one gets the 2 tickets. All right? Yeah, picnic table. Come join us. Bucket hat, come on, bro. Come here. Go on. Okay, we'll start on this side. We'll start right here. Let's hear it. We'll do right here. Who's that?
Thank you.